Hi, hello everyone on the YouTube. Good evening. Welcome to another session of 1000 Midnight Children of Paper 1. So today we have the session 2 of Paper 1. Like you are having a lot of sessions for Paper 2, so we'll arrange for Paper 1 also. Good evening everyone. Good evening. Hello, hello. YouTube babies or YouTube guys, how are you? Everyone, are you studying? All those guys on the Zoom platform, how are you? Are you studying? How is the studies going on? So we have uh, some more days left for the exams, and like the application date have been extended by 1 day, and mostly they will be conducting the exam on January first week, so we can expect the exam. How are you all? Can we start with today's paper 1 revision? So what actually we are going to do is today we'll have some higher education revision and also some data interpretation, because we are doing some data interpretation and higher education, and also we'll have some maths. Okay, so how it is? Can we move on? Can we start, guys? Guys in the YouTube and guys in the Zoom. Can we start? As it is, yeah, we can start. I think yes. YouTube baby or two babies are also saying we can start. We'll start with the question. Okay. As now Pushpa is trending, we'll start. Okay. We'll start. I can show actions of Pushpa to start. That's what. Pushpa 2 is a trending one, right? Yes, guys on the YouTube. Fine. So it's now 1000 Midnight Children. The first question for today is pursuance of the National Council of Teacher Education 1993 Act, NCT was established in the year. So it is National Council for Teacher Education. You should know what is NCT doing, what is NCT for. So that's a very sure question from the higher education part. You can see this NCT in the higher education institutions. So what is the answer? Is it 1995? Is it 1993? Is it 1994 and 1996? So by the options, I could reveal my year of birth. But if you understand my age, it is very, like, it will be not good for me. So I could not say that. So it's 1995, 1993, 1994, and 1996. What is that? Yeah, good evening, everyone. Good evening. Hello, hello. What is the answer, guys? You are telling it as B. Here we have A, somebody 3, somebody 1. Yeah, the act was in 1993 and the year established was in 1995. The year established. Do you know what is NCTE? It is National Council for Teacher Education. And now they, like what they do is actually they organize, or they are the apex body of the teacher education institutions of all over the country. Like we have B.Ed colleges, D.Ed colleges and all. So what they do is they regulate and they create the rules and regulations for the teacher education institutions in our country. So this was established in 1995. Clear, guys? Can we move on to the next one? Yes. The next question is, okay, it is a question related to the data interpretation. Now, whenever you have a question for data interpretation, what you should do? You should read the question twice or thrice. Clear? By seeing the table itself, you are like, okay, my God, it's like a bigger table. I could not do this. No, it should not be there. By seeing the table, it is not like you should not analyze that. You should read the question. Now, then come to the table and you can analyze the table. Fine. The following table shows the distribution of the number of girls enrolled in the 3 schools A, B, and C over the years 2017 to 2021. Okay. Now, meanwhile, boys will be like, okay, girls are very much interested. girls enrollment. Fine, okay. So 2017 and 2021. So based on the data, answer the questions that follow. Clear? So it's years. Now you have 2017 to 2021. So enrollment of girls A, B, C that you have. So numbers is there. So in 2017, 200 girls have been enrolled. 2018 to school A, 150 girls have been enrolled. So like that it goes. So read the table, analyze the table in a better manner. Clear? So you got the idea now. The number is given, no percentage, no ratio, just the number. This question is from like 2023. I can if I analyze it, it's just from 2023. I think. So as it is a PYQ based question, these type of simple questions on data interpretation can also be asked. Clear? As you know, it is like NTA is a like very unexpected agency. They can ask what very unexpected questions of easy and hard one. Can we move on to the question now? You analyze the table, right? Can we move on to the question, guys? The question. The average number of girls enrolled in the year 2019 in all the three schools. Just a simple one. Simple one. Like you're just amazed that okay, my God, NTA, do they ask questions like this? Yes, they ask questions like this. 2019, just take ABC total sum and divide it by the total number. You get the average. Okay, what is the number? Average. So what is the formula for the average? So average is equal to the sum by the total number. Sum by the total number. Okay. So what is the sum that you will get? For example, you want to check that is in 2019. So guys, in 2019, what all are there? The numbers enrolled 275, 150 and 199. So 275 plus 150 plus 199. And what is the total number, guys? What is the total number? That is divided by 3. So 275 plus 150 plus 199. So like just you can add it by yourself. Just let me add it for the time being using the calculator. That it will be easy for you. So 624, you'll get 624 divided by 3. That means the total sum is there as what? The 3 schools. So it will be 3. The answer is 208 that you are getting. Is it the answer that you got? 208. The total number is 624 and divided by 3, you will get as 208. Got the answer, guys? Can we check whether it is 208? Believe me, this is a question from the PYQ. The answer is 208. Yeah. You're getting the correct answer. YouTube boys, YouTube girls, YouTube babies. How it is going? So it is 208. Everybody is saying 208. Great. Can we move on to the next question? I think my explanation is very clear to you. Is it? Yeah, fine. The total number of girls enrolled in all the 3 schools in the year 2017 is dash percentage of the number of girls enrolled in school C. So dash percentage means the quantity 1 divided by the quantity 2 into 100. So in 2017, so check the total number of girls in 2017. That means in A, B, and C. And school C in the year 2020. So only that. So you need to find out the percentage. Guys, can you find out the percentage? The total number of girls enrolled in all the 3 schools in the year 2017 is dash percentage of the number of girls enrolled in school C in the year. So we want to get an idea of what all things for the question that you need, what all data you need. So girls enrolled in 2017. So girls enrolled in 2017. Girls enrolled in 2017 in all the 3 schools. Okay. So that is 200 plus 150 plus 100. Easy one. So that is equal to 450, is it? 450. Great. And now the girls enrolled in school C. So the girls enrolled in C in 2020. So what is that? It goes for 200, right? It is for 200. It is 200. So we need what percentage? So if it is what percentage? 400, the first quantity divided by, the first quantity is 450. 450 divided by 200 into 100. So what is the answer? 450 divided by 200 into 100. The answer is 225 percentage. Oh my God. 225 percentage. Will you think that there is a percentage called 225 percentage? Obviously, there are percentages more than 100, 225 percentage, 165 percentage. There are. Don't think that only 100 percentage is the maximum. No. We take the quantity out of 100, that's correct. But the maximum percentage can be anything. It can be more than 100, more than 200. So what our YouTube guys are telling, YouTube babies are telling it is 225, or they are also telling the correct answer. They are telling it is 225. Let me check the answer. Yeah, the answer is 225 that we have. That's correct. Yes. So we'll move to the next question. Guys, data interpretation. It's very easy, right? You can understand, I think. It's a very easy one, and you're going it and doing it greatly. Fine. So the next question with the same data interpretation that we have, the ratio between the numbers of girls enrolled in the school C in the year 2020 and the total number of girls enrolled in the school A and school B together in the same year. So what do you want to get? The data. Be ready with the data. Data you should be ready with. The ratio between the number of girls enrolled in school C in the year 2020. So the number of girls school C in 2020. Just now we got. What is that? 200. Fine. Now the answers have came from the Zoom guys. Those are listening. They are like you can see a 1,000 midnight children in the logo. There is a fire. Okay, you are like that. YouTube babies also. You're like fire. Pushpa and a flower got a fire. Okay, you are all fire guys. Now it is Pushpa trending, right? That's what. You're all fire guys. So just in 2 or 3 minutes, you are telling the answer. No, just within 30 seconds, you are telling the answer. And you're just very, very what you can say the masters of data interpretation now. So the number of girls enrolled in the year 2020 in school C. So in school C, so in C in 2020, the number is 200. Okay. So the total number of girls in A and B together, A and B in 2020 in the same year, right? So A and B in 2020 together it will be 250 plus 300. That's equal to 550. So you need the ratio between 200 and 550. So 200 by 550. The zeros you can cancel. 20 by 55. You can cancel it by 5. So it will be 4 and it will be 11. The answer is 4 by 11. So when you write the ratio, it is 4:11. So option 3, great. You are telling the answer correctly. Option 3 is 4:11. Correct. We'll check the answer now. Yeah, it is 4:11 is the correct answer, guys. And now we'll go with the next question. So clear, everyone? Is it okay with our YouTube babies also? Fine. Can we move on to the next question? Yes. This is also a PYQ from the higher education part. Which of the following Indian universities were modeled on the lines of University of London? Calcutta University, Bombay University, Madras University, Andhra University, and Mysore University. ABC, BCD, CDE, and ABD. Your options are coming in a very like in a quick manner. It is coming. Like it shows that you have studied. Great. Options 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. ABC. That means all three options in the first Calcutta, Bombay, and Madras. Here in the YouTube also they are saying it as option 1. They don't have any doubt in the options. Okay. The option is ABC. Calcutta, Bombay, and Madras is the correct one. So that is the Indian universities that were modeled on the lines of University of London. So that is Calcutta, Bombay, and Madras. That's what. Going to the next part. Next question. According to NEP 2020, secondary education comprises of classes 8 to 10, 9 to 12, 9 to 10, 9 to 11. You know, this is actually it's a PYQ based one. NEP 2020 is very much important. You can read the Roman letters that classes. They have, these NEP have a new structure. They suggested a new structure called 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4. They implemented a new structure. So here we have another question from the NEP 2020. You know what is that? Is it 9 to 10 or is it 9 to 11 or is it 9 to 12? What is secondary education? We have foundational, then we have like primary level, we have elementary level. Which is that from the secondary education that we have? You know, it is like NEP 2020 that aims, objectives, all those things you should study. Structure you should study. Clear? 9 to 11 is it? So like we are having different options. Some are saying it is 1, some are saying it is 2, some are saying it is 3, 4. All those options are coming. It is 9 to 12. The answer is 9 to 12. Secondary education consists of 9 to 12 according to NEP 2020. Guys, who was the chairman of NEP 2020? A famous personality. Chairman of NEP 2020. We have the short forms. Like we call him as like the Zoom I can get short forms as Kastu. Oh my god. Such a sweet name we call. Kasturi Rangan. Like we name it as a short form, right? So it's very easy to study. Yeah, we have 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 structure. So that 4 consists of the secondary education part. That's what. Kasturi Rangan is the chairman of NEP 2020, that is National Education Policy of 2020. Next question. Which statutory body of a university has the power to accord formal approval to the programs and courses of studies? The Senate, the Syndicate, the Academic Council, the Board of Studies. Yeah. We have some formal bodies on the universities, like, you know, like there has been elections to the Senate, like there will be political parties involved in the Senate, Syndicate and all. Academic Council also. And Board of Studies, you know, there will be Board of Study members. Like, so who decide who give the formal approval to the programs and the courses of studies? Who give the formal approval? Is it Senate? Is it Syndicate? Is it Academic Council? Is it Board of Studies? Like Senate is a rule or a governing body in the university, like from which different from the different political parties there will be members. Like they decide things on the universities, like what? They implement things, they implement new like commissions to study all those things about the programs, about a new cost structure and all. That's what. Is it Academic Council? And I'm getting answers from the YouTube babies as Academic Council 3. Can we check? Yes, it is Academic Council only. The answer goes with Academic Council. So Academic gives, or Academic Council has the power to accord formal approval to the programs and courses of studies. Fine. The expenditure on the research and innovation in India at present is only dash percentage of GDP. Okay, dash percentage of our gross domestic product. What is that? Is it 0.20, 0.69, 1.31, 2.14? If the like whether the answer is A, B, C, or D, like it is like we should think of that. The maximum is 2% of our GDP in the options itself. So for the research and innovation, a country like India should think more. So all those with the like beautiful brains. So the what you know like expenditure should be more. Is it 3? Okay, some are asking is it 3? And YouTube babies are also answering. Some are 2, some are 3. More 2 are there. Fine. 0.69%. Are you going with that? Yes, the answer is 0.69% that we have, guys. Superb. That is it. So, can we go to the next question? Okay. This was the question. And there was a double table in the 2024 exam. 2023 exam, I think. 24, like the OMR exam, cancelled one. Okay. So that is 0.69% is the answer to the last question that we have. Okay. So the following table shows the percentage distribution of patients of various diseases in the world, and table 2. Okay, there are table 2 and table 1. Shows the percentage distribution of all the patients and kidney patients in various continents, namely Europe, Australia, South America, Africa, North America, and Asia. Okay, guys, do you remember? Yeah, remember this was the June 24 question. The last question's answer was 0.69%. 0.69%. Okay. Now, the total population of the world in the year 2023 is 800 crore. This thing should be noted. And only 10% of them are patients. The number that we should consider is only 10% of 800 crore. Clear? Only 10% of 800 crore. So please make that in mind. So you read the introduction of a data interpretation question or the question that is a basis, like the first initial part of the data interpretation question, that is very important. Clear? So if you miss out this, you won't get the answer. So the total population is 800 crore. So the 10% of them are patients. So guys, the total percentage or the total population is 800 crore. So the total population is 800 crore. So what is the number? We need the number of patients. We need the number of patients. So what is that? It is 10%. That is 10 by 100 of 800 crore. That's actually what we have is 80 crore. That is the only number that we want to take into consideration. 80 crore only is the number that we want to take care of. Clear? So just write that 80 crore. That's it. 80 crore. Okay. So going to the first question from that. The number of kidney patients in South America decreases by 25%. Then what is the percentage decrease in the number of kidney patients in the world? So here we need to check that there is kidney disease patients in the world also, and also there is a distribution of kidney patients among the continents also. So in the two tables, the data is given. So we should relate it with the two tables and then go with the answer. Clear? Now, starting with the first step, what we need is the kidney patients in the world. Clear? Kidney patients in the world and also the kidney patients in South America. Now, how to get the kidney patients in world? So, kidney patients in world. So, kidney patients in the world is the total number of patients in the world is only 80 crore. Now, what is the kidney disease affected patients? 30%, right? So, 30 by 100 into 80 crore. 30 by 100 into 80 crore. Either you can put zeros. It is like what you want is like for this type of patients, it is 80 crore you can write. But there are questions with the coming like lakhs and all. Like if you are very confident about the points and all by using with 80 crore and all, or number of zeros, if you are very familiar with, you can write just 80 crore, 80 CR. Or it will be fine that you put all the zeros by counting the decimal digits or the number, like the decimal digits. So when you cancel these zeros, you will get it as 24. You'll get just 24 crore. The kidney patients in the world is 24 crore. So out of this 24 crore, 40% is in South America. Okay. 40% is in South America. So the kidney patients in South America is 40 by 100 into 24 crore. So 40 by 100 into 24 crore. What you will get is you can cancel the zeros. It will be 96 by 10. That is actually 9.6 crore. That is actually just 9 crore 60 lakhs. 9 crore 60 lakhs. Okay. So now number of kidney patients in South America decreases by 25%. So when it is a decrease by 25%, what is the number that we should multiply with? I already told you 25%. If you decrease it with 25% means 100 minus 25, we can just take it. So 75. So the decreased patients. So the decreased number. The decreased number, after the decreased number, what we'll get? 75 by 100 into the 9 crore 60 lakhs. 75 by 100 into 9 crore 60 lakhs. How did I get 75 by 100? Because there is a decline in by 25%. So directly, if I want to get the number, that is 75 by 100 into 9 crore 60 lakhs, we can get. So that is 9 crore. Just do the number 9 crore 60 lakhs. You can get 9.6 into 75 by 100. We'll get the answer as 7 crore 20 lakhs. Okay, 7 crore 20 lakhs. Now, you need to find the difference. That means you need to get the number is decreased. Then what is the percentage decrease in the number of kidney patients? So percentage decrease means you should get the amount of change. So in the world, okay. So what is the change here? What is the decreased number? So here you can write as the new number, or maybe the number after after decreasing. Kidney patients in South America after 25% decrease. Okay, that is 7,20,000. So the decreased number. Now we need the decreased number. So what I want to do is, actually what I should do is 9 crore 60 lakhs. 9 crore 60 lakhs minus 7 crore 20 lakhs. That is a decreased number. So, okay. 9 crore 60 lakhs minus 7 crore 20 lakhs. So we should get the answer. That will be 2 crore 40 lakhs. Is 2 crore 40 lakhs. So that is the decreased number in South America. And this will affect the number in the world also. This will affect the number in the world also. So this I am rubbing now. So the decreased number was 2 lakh. The decreased number was 2 crore 40 lakhs. Okay. So this is the amount of change that we have. We need to get the percentage decrease. So we need to get the percentage decrease. Clear? We need to get the percentage decrease. So the amount of change is what? 2 crore 40 lakhs. 2 crore 40 lakhs. And the total number, what is the total number? It is 24 crore. Where from 24 crore? Because the total number of kidney patients in the world is 24 crore into 100. So we can cancel all these zeros. 5 zeros and also one more 0, 6 zeros. So here also 1 zeros you can cancel. 240 by 24 you will get. The answer is 10%. The answer is 10%. Guys, did you get the idea? All guys on YouTube also. Is it clear? Is it my explanation clear with you? Because we need to get the decreased number. So in South America, there was an original number. We will find the number which was decreased when it is by 25%. So that we got it as 7 crore 20 lakhs. So when you subtract 9 crore, that the first number with the second number, the decreased number is 2 crore. The change is 2 crore 40 lakhs. And this change will obviously affect in the kidney patients in the world also. Because South America is a continent in the world. So what will happen? So that amount of change is 2 crore 40 lakhs by the total number. The total number is what? The number of patients in the world, kidney patients in the world. That is 24 crore into 100. That will get the answer as 10%. So we'll check whether the answer is correct or not. We are having 10% as the answer. The answer is 10%. Is it okay, guys? Can we move on to the next question? The number of kidney patients in Australia is approximately dash the number of patients of heart disease in the world. Okay. The number of kidney patients in Australia. So we have got the number of kidney patients in the world, 24 crore. So there is a point that you should remember is in data interpretation, if you solve one question, the data that you get for one question will be useful for another question. Clear? The data that you get or like that you used for one question will be useful for the next questions also. It may be like 2 or 3 questions you can use. So while you do questions, please make it sure that you should not scribble in the working sheet. Like somewhere you have written the data. So please make it accordingly, like make it a clear and neat arrangement where you can sort out the data for the next questions also. Clear? So first, you should have the number of kidney patients in Australia. You know that kidney patients in the world is what? Kidney patients. So the kidney patients in the world is what? 24 crore. That means we got this number from the previous question, 24 crore. And now Australia, it is 5%. So kidney patients in Australia. So kidney patients in Australia. Kidney patients in Australia is equal to, what is that? 5% of 5 by 100 of 24 crore. So either 24 crore, you can just multiply, like just write just 24 crore itself, or like full zeros, you can just, take it over. So 24 crore. So you will get it as 1 crore 20 lakhs. This 1 crore 20 lakhs. So that is 1 crore 20 lakhs kidney patients are there in Australia. Clear? Fine. 1 crore 20 lakhs. Now, the number of kidney patients in Australia we got is dash, approximately dash the number of patients of heart disease. So the number of patients of heart disease. So the number of patients of heart disease. The number of patients of heart disease is equal to, what is the number of patients in heart disease? What is, you can see the table 1 itself. Table 1 only, because heart disease is not connected with the table 2. So table 1, we'll go with table 1, 22%. Can you see that? So 22% of 22 by 100 of what? 80 crore. From where did we get this 80 crore? Because we have it for the total number of patients in the world was 80 crore. So 0.22 by 100 to 80, you can just multiply that, you will get it as 17 crore 60 lakhs. Okay. 17 crore 60 lakhs. Now, what do you want is the percentage. So how will you get the percentage? Just the first quantity, approximately what percent means? Just the first quantity divide by the second quantity into 100. Just the first quantity divide by the second quantity into 100 will be the answer. So we can get the answer. You can just solve it. These 3 zeros can be cancelled. These 2 zeros can be cancelled. This 1 zero also can be cancelled. So it is 1200 by 176. 1200 by 176. What is the answer that you are getting, guys? Is it 6.82 approximately? 6.8181 you'll get. 6.82 percentage approximately that you can get. Let me check the answer. If that's correct, it is 6.82 percentage. What in the YouTube babies are telling? What in the YouTube guys are telling? It is 6.82 percentage, right? Fine. Did you get the idea? How did you get this? We had the kidney patients in the world, 24 crore. That was it was there in the previous question, 24 crore. Now, kidney patients in Australia. How did you get that? Because 5% of persons are there in Australia in kidney disease affected or kidney patients. So 5 by 100 into 24 crore. So you'll get it as 1 crore 24 lakh. So 1 crore 20 lakh, sorry. So there's a crore here, okay. 24 crore is here. So now number of patients of heart disease. Only it is the number related with the first table. 22 by 100 to 80 crore, you will get 17 crore 60 lakhs. Then divide the first quantity by second quantity into 100, you will get the percentage. Clear? Everyone, is it clear on the YouTube also? It's a very important one where you can score marks in the data interpretation. If you can solve it, you will gain a lot of confidence for writing paper one. I'm sure with that. So don't skip the paper one question, please. Like if you are able to solve one or two, you can crack it the next three also, and it is like it defines the confidence in you to write all the other 45 questions of paper one. Obviously, this will be the first questions in the exam because like data interpretation. Like this is this makes like or this questions these questions decide how your mood affects the next 145 questions. So please don't get depressed on these what questions. Give a try, you can do it. It is such easy one. So what is the ratio of the number of patients in Africa to the total number of kidney patients in Asia and North America together? See, again kidney patients, and again it is again being asked. So what is the number of patients in Africa? So the number of patients in Africa. So you should get the number of patients. So you have the total number of patients as 80%, sorry, 80 crore. So out of that, we have number of patients, all patients in Africa is 25%, right? So 25% of 80 crore you can find out. Now, to the total number of kidney patients in Asia and North America together. So Asia and North America, what is it? Asia, it is 20% and North America, it is 15%. So together, what we'll get? So go with it. Can you give it a try? So it's actually what we have is total patients in the world. Total patients in the world is total patients in the world. 80 crore. It is 80 crore. Okay. So now the total patients in Africa. Total patients in Africa. So the Africa, the number related with is 25%, right? So 25 by 100 into 80 crore. So 25 by 100 into 80 crore. So you'll get 25 by 100 into 80 crore as 20 crore. 20 crore. Or you can just write in numbers 20. Then how many zeros? There are this much zeros. Okay, 20 crore. Now, the total number of kidney patients in the Africa, North America and Asia together. Okay. So what is total percentage? 20 plus 15. North America and Asia, it is together we have here, together we have 35%, right? Now, we have 24 crore of kidney patients in the world. So kidney patients in the world is 24 crore. The kidney patients in the world is 24 crore. 24 crore, right? That we have found out. And now kidney patients in North America and Asia. Kidney patients in North America and Asia. North America and Asia is 35% of 24. 35% of 24 crore. You will get the answer as 8 crore 40 lakhs. Good zeros are more there. 8 crore 40 lakhs is the answer for the second one. Okay. So that is kidney patients in North America and Asia. And a number of patients in Africa also we got. We need to the ratio, right? So the ratio is equal to what we want to find the ratio. Ratio is equal to 20 crore. So 20 crore by 8 crore 40 lakhs. So that's it. So then you can cancel all these zeros. How many zeros? 6 zeros. So here also we can cancel 6 zeros. Now it is 200 by 84. 200 by 84. You can just cancel it by 2. It will be 100. It is 42. You can cancel it by again 2. It is 50 and 21. So the ratio that you get is 50 is to 21. That is the answer. So here it is option D, 50 is to 21. Guys, how it is going in the YouTube? Are you getting the answer 50 is to 21? Yes. 50 is to 21. Here also. That's it. This is the one that I told you. Just give a try and you will get the answer. Is my explanation clear to you? 50 is to 21 is the answer. Can we check the answer? Is it? Yeah, it is the answer. 50 is to 21 is it. Yeah. You can solve DI. You can solve data interpretation. That's correct. Clear. Try, practice it. That's what you can do. Going to the next question, guys. Very quickly. The first state in India to pass the GST legislation in the assembly was. Okay. Don't think that am I sitting in a PSC class or anything like with a state government exam. Yes, obviously, because you should study the governance and policies in the unit called higher education. Obviously, you will have questions with these type. The first state in India to pass the GST legislation in the assembly was Tamil Nadu, Assam, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh. Yes, which is the answer? Gujarat. You think it is Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh? Some are with the Assam. No fans for Assam. Assam is the correct answer. Assam is the correct answer. Okay. Assam is the first state in India to pass the GST legislation in the assembly. Assam. Okay. The next one. Who is fully credited with the introduction of English education system in India officially through the necessary order issued by Bendick, William Bendick, the Governor General of India on 7th March 1835. Zachary Macaulay, Thomas Babington Macaulay, Alexander Duff, and Charles Trevelyan. And which was the order called? Or which was the report submitted called? The important report submitted on 1835 that you study. Like when you study the Pre-Independent Education Commission. Yes, exactly. That name that we have. Minutes. Which is the minutes? Is it Zachary Macaulay or Thomas Babington Macaulay? It's Macaulay's minutes on education. Macaulay, which is the Which is the Macaulay? This Thomas Babington Macaulay. Yeah, Macaulay's minutes, Thomas Babington Macaulay. So where you have is Macaulay's minutes on the education. The report, it's just the meeting. It's not just only 1 minute. Minute means the briefing of a meeting. So it is there. Only English education should be given. Okay. Happy that to all literature students. Fine. Thomas Babington Macaulay. Fine. So we have many recommendations given by Thomas Babington that no Eastern languages should be taught, no Eastern literature, no books should be published by the Eastern literature, only with English literature. Fund should be given for the only Western education. Clear. That's what. And he introduced a downward filtration theory. Fine. You know that, right? Okay. All those things should be learned in depth. Fine. Next question. Oh my God, there is a question from maths. Very interested. A train moving at 50 km per hour crosses a bridge in 45 seconds. The length of the train is 150 meters. Find the length of the bridge. Okay. So, in the exam that you should remember, like you are in the Vande Bharat Express, moving at 50 km per hour. So don't make any sound in the exam hall, like you are not doing any mimicry. And crosses the bridge in 45 seconds. The length of the train is 150 meters. Find the length of the bridge. So imagine that the train, okay, 50 km per hour. Why? Crosses a bridge in 45 seconds. Okay. Now think that speed is in kilometer per hour and the time is in seconds. And the length of the train is 150 meters. So everything it is in meters and seconds. Convert speed into meter per seconds. So speed is 50 km per hour. Speed is equal to 50 km per hour. How will you convert 50 km per hour to meter per second? So 50 into 5 by 18. Okay, by 2 it is 9, by 2 it is 25. So it is 125 by 9, right? Meter per second. So crosses a bridge in 45 seconds. Time is given as 45. The length of the train is, so the distance will be the length of the train plus the length of the bridge. So actually it is length of the train is 150. The length of the bridge is not given, 150 plus b. So we have the formula, speed is equal to distance by time. So from that, what we can write is 150, sorry, 125 by 9 is equal to 150 plus b by 45. So it can be 5 again. So 125 into 5 is equal to 150 plus b. 125 into 5 is 5, 2, and 625 is equal to 150 plus b. So b will be equal to 625 minus 150. The answer goes with 475 meter. 475 meter. Is it the answer that you got 2? Yeah. You two babies also answering it as correct. 2 is the answer. 475 meter. You got the idea? 475 meter is the correct answer. Let me check the answer. 475 meter. Is it 475 meter? Yes, the correct answer is 475 meter. Clear. So you got the speed. So you want to check whether you want to check it as every unit or everything that is given in the question is in the same unit. So speed is in kilometer per hour. Other things are in seconds and meters. So what you should do? You should convert the kilometer per hour to meter per second. Clear? Then do with the question. That means whenever a train crosses a bridge or a platform with a specific length, you should add the train length plus the length of the bridge or platform. That will be the total distance. That is the concept that you should learn from here. Clear, guys? Can we move on? Yes. Again, a maths question for you. The average age of the committee of 10 members is 40 years. A member of age 52 retires and a new member of age 38 takes place. What is the average age of the present committee? So there are 10 members. Can you do it? So the number of member is 10. And the average is given as 40. The age, okay. So what will be the sum of ages? What will be the sum of ages of all those 10? It is 40 into 10, that is 400. Clear? Now, what happens to the sum? The sum, a 52 age man or a 52 age member retire. That means minus 52. And what happens suddenly? An age of 38 also is coming. Okay. So either you can take the difference of 58 and 32 and then add with that, no worries. But the member of age retires for 52. That is minus 52. That you should take care of. Then the new member of age 38 takes place. So that's actually minus 58 plus 32. It is actually the in effect sum will be 386. Clear. Now the new average, when you check for the new average, 386 by 10, the answer will be 38.6 years. The answer will be 38.6 years. You got the idea? 400 minus 52, that means age of 52 retires. And a new member of age 38 takes its place. So 38 plus. So now you have the sum as 386. Now average means sum by total number. So 386 by 10, that is 38.6. Let us check the answer, 38.6. Our YouTube babies are also answering it as 38.6. Yes, that's the correct one. Great going, guys. The Rashtriya Uchchadar Shiksha Abhiyan aims to promote. Rosa, it is a very important question. Short question from the part of higher education. Rosa, what is Rosa for? Promote research in higher education, enhance quality and improve governance in higher education, provide scholarship, establish new universities in rural areas. No, obviously not. It is with the higher education part. So which of with the higher education? Promote research. Yes. This was taught in the classes. Exactly, it is in the quality and improve governance in higher education is the correct answer for the RUSA. That is B is the answer. We have RMSA also, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan for secondary education. Which of the following is not a statutory body related to higher education in India? What do you mean by a statutory body? We have constitutional body, we have statutory body, we have advisory bodies. What do you mean by statutory bodies? We have constitutional body. What is that? Constitutional body means that take power from the constitution itself. For example, election commission or UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. These are all mentioned in the constitution. UGC, it is formed from an act of parliament. It is a statutory body. That means NAC, it is formed from a act of a parliament. That means it is both passed in the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and it is signed by the president, and it is passed through an act. That is a statutory body. And now it is asked that which is not a statutory body. That means, yeah, it is established by law. Statutory is established by law from an act. So what is that? Not a statutory body. It is not a NAC. NAC was there. AICT. It is Indian Council of Social Science Research is not a statutory body. It is not a ICSSR. It's an advisory body, like it provides fund. It is not a statutory body. Like for example, Niti Aayog. It's for planning commission. It came. It's a advisory body or a body that is created by the in order to help the government. Like after the government, it is the discretion of the government that whether it can be dissolved or not. But statutory body and constitutional body it is not like that. It should be taken to the consideration of the prior law of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, it's the parliament. Only changes can be done from the parliament or the law. The recommendation that no student should be allowed to specialize in teaching a subject unless he had it in BA or BSc was made by Yashpal, Knowledge Education Commission and NR Sarkar Committee. Which is that? What is the Education Commission 1964-66? What is the other name for that? 64-66. What is the other name for that? Education Commission. Yeah, exactly. Kotari. So, Yashpal and Knowledge Commission and Sarkar Committee, which was the, like you can easily get the committee or you can easily get the answer from that. We had the answer as C. Okay, here also we are considering the Education Commission or Kotari Commission. Yeah, the answer is Education Commission or Kotari Commission. That's the correct answer. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So, and yet another session comes to an end of paper one. Paper one. How it was? How it was? Was it useful? Were it useful for you? Did you like the session? So share it with your friends. Let them also learn. So these days, learn with a like with a fire on you. No wastage of time. Learn maximum. You can look at many revision sessions like this, and we should like break our own records of Vallath. This time we should have 1K pass. Okay, guys. So